Hi, I'm Nicole, and I used to be a student here at ETG. If you're watching this video, you're probably thinking about how to get better at economics. Maybe school feels a bit too fast, or maybe you're doing okay, but you know that you can go further. I've been there. ETG Signature lets you decide what you want to learn. You can pick topics from ETG's stellar curriculum, bring your own school tutorials, or just let your tutor come up with a customized plan just for you. The class sizes are small, with only 2 to 8 students per class, so you'll never be lost and you'll get the attention that you need. I loved how flexible it was, and it really helped me so much. So firstly, not only were the class sizes small, I also got to attend class with people from my school or even just my friends who were learning the same things. If you're ready to learn your way with someone who gets it, ETG Signature might just be perfect for you.